Whoa, look. Nice. The rain won't stop us.
I'ma need the whole night and a little bit more.
All of this sucks. This is not the ride that this is not the ride that God wanted for me today. Somebody's looking at me. Keep my composure. What's up, it's Queen Said Let's Go. I'm finna tell you why I haven't been riding my bike. Because of days like this? No, of course not. That's not gonna stop me from riding because the bugs and the microphones won't work. The reason why is because I had an accident a couple months ago. I had an accident. I'll put how many months right here because I can't remember, where I was stopped at a red light and basically a car thought I turned right already, but I didn't. So the car ended up turning right, like she was probably looking to the left to see where the car's coming, but didn't realize that I never turned, and she turned into the back of me. So my bike fell over. I'll drop some pictures. My bike fell over. It was just a horrible experience, and I ended up damaging my left saddlebag. I don't know if saddlebag guards would have saved me because I had to go and find every single part for my saddlebag and put it together. I actually built my left saddlebag from scratch, basically. Literally had to find all of the parts, so that was super annoying. So saddlebag guards could have saved me in that situation. I don't know. I don't know if it just works when you drop your bike. If you know the answer, drop that below. So basically, here we go. The reason why I wanted to wait to ride my bike is because I was just sitting at home looking at old pictures of my accident, and I'm like, you know what, if I have my cameras rolling, like things like I didn't need them, but what if the driver, you know, was like, it's not my fault? What if she was like, you know, I don't know. But regardless, she was nice and handled it. The driver took full responsibility for it, and I was thankful. But I've been seeing so many accidents and stuff. So many people having accidents and hit and runs, like people getting hit and the car leaves. Like if that driver would have left me there, guess what? I got to pay for all of that out of pocket. You know, if the insurance company doesn't believe it or something, I don't know. But all I know is that definitely I'm going to start riding with a camera. Like I don't know, it's just for protection. So that's why I haven't been making vlogs recently as much. And look, what's crazy is I literally just made a vlog like a week ago, and a week off of my bike just seems like a long time. So actually I'm saying it's a long time ago, and it's literally only been a week or 2 weeks at the most. But basically I just want to be safe. I don't know. So that's the point of me ordering all of these GoPro parts. Oh, shout out to Harley Davidson for sending me the GoPro Hero 8. Looking out for you, girl. It motivated me to get back out here and do my vlogs. but I gotta be honest, this is just advice that I've always used. I don't feel really comfortable right now, so I don't know if it's because the mics are messing up, but my nerves are kind of bad. So whenever I feel that way, maybe this can help somebody. Whenever I'm not feeling like good on the bike, I go home and park it. So I've only been on the bike for like 5 minutes, but I'm about to call it a day. I'm taking it in. I'm definitely not about to ride because anything can happen. When I ride, I like to be on my A game. Like I like to feel confident. When someone makes a mistake around me, I want to be able to maneuver and get out of that situation. And right now, I just feel like I'm not fully focused. I think I'm worried about the cameras and stuff, wondering if the audio's working and all of that. So that's a fun fact about me. If I'm not feeling it, I'm not riding. So that's the end of this vlog. You know, I'm gonna take it on in and try again tomorrow because I'm not feeling it today. Moving kind of fast there, buddy. See, look at the horses. The ground is slick because it's been raining, so yeah. I'm out of there. But when the ground is wet or slick like this, I pick the left or right side of the road. I don't ride down the middle lane unless I have to. Kind of like now I have to because of the cones and stuff. But oil from cars drop directly under the car. So if you ride behind the car, you know the oil is leaking right under it. So that's the middle of the lane. So I try to go potholes. St. Louis has the worst streets, but I try to go on the left or right side of the lane. Oh, you know what? I should vlog tonight. I'm going to pick up a pair of shoes around in about an hour. If you want to continue my life after the motorcycle riding, stay tuned, stay on this video, and I'm gonna show you some more stuff about me. We're gonna vlog the whole day. If you just wanted to come for the motorcycle part, then thank you for watching. And for the people who sticking it out and want to see what we do or see how I pick up some tennis shoes, stay tuned for the next few clips, because I am going to pick up some shoes. Now, if you stayed this long in the vlog, you deserve this. I'm gonna let you know. I'm gonna let you in on the secret. Fun fact about me, I do not like buying brand new shoes. Weird, right? Okay, cool. I just don't. I mean, my Yeezys, I bought them brand new. Certain shoes, like if I'm in the store and I see them, let me get that. Let me get that. But 9 times out of 10, I like to get some shoes offline from somebody. You can find some exclusive shoes. What's crazy is that this is perfect timing anyway, because I forgot I gotta pick my shoes up in an hour. So I'm glad I cut the ride short, because I would have ended up somewhere far, knowing me. I don't know. Okay, like I promised, picking up these Jordans. Okay, boom, so I'm picking them up. Look good. We're about to roll with him. Oh, you mean red bottom, red bottom?
Red bottom.
Oh, shoot, I don't even know. I ain't never even had those shoes like that. Okay, so the transaction is done. I got the shoes. Be looking out for pictures with the shoes on my bike. Thanks for riding with me earlier. Thanks for checking out this part of the vlog. And it's Queen Sit, and I'm out.